wanna shake with a word. Times and times I've been done in my heart. Got down, but I still be going in hard. Check it, the shock's on, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, how the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
Saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it, but he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. So this life I'm living is blessed, and you know that the wages of sinning is death, but he put my spirit to rest. Got the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest, so man, I won't let the enemy rest.
New day, the game has changed, the pieces in place, and now we're moving. We shine in this new light and live how we want. Yeah, fresh start, light that spark, and we take off. Yeah, we'll be flying. We're here, a brand new gear to show what we got. Here we go. It's our day. Yeah, it's time to celebrate. Let's roll. It's our fate. Yeah, it's time to celebrate. Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life. Game on, we're going strong. A renaissance, a new beginning. Sit tight, enjoy the ride. Yeah, we're on fire.
Yo, yo.
One chance, our only dance, and we got plans for something better. Stand tall, we'll have it all.
Yeah, yeah.
To the top.
What's good, what's good?
Here we go. It's our day. Yeah, it's time to celebrate. Let's roll. It's our fate. Yeah, it's time to celebrate.
Let's get it.
Welcome to the good life.
What up, chat? Good morning.
Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life.
Okay.
Welcome to the good life. 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 Welcome to the good life.
Welcome to the good life. Wow. That's a banger. Damn. What's good, what's good? Happy Thursday, everyone. Welcome to the revolution. Cheers, mates. Hope you guys are doing well today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome, welcome. How are we feeling today, chat? W's? W's in the chat if you're feeling good, if you're feeling like it's going to be a great day here today, if you're happy, if you're ready to welcome yourself into the good life, to join the revolution, to crack the matrix, to separate yourself from the masses, and to go above and beyond all that you even thought was imagined. or all that you even thought was possible. Who's with me? Am I wrong for thinking that we can do this? Z Gamer in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, George VDM? Big LeGrand in the building. What up, LeGrand? What up, Louis G? Let's go, Buzz Blab. Let's go, was good. Rapid Max in the house. What up, Rapid Max? Morning, Perez, my man. AB Mike in the building. What up, AB Mike? Let's go, was good, was good. All right. What a day. What a morning. What a morning so far. Ewan in the building. What up, Ewan? What up, Yanosh? Yanosh is in the house. Mod Squad is here. Bright and early. Gotta Trade is in the building. It's good. Gotta Trade. Stevie Mac. Stevie Mac is back. What up, DT Gamer? Let's go. What's good? What's good, everybody? Let me just send the Zoom link. Welcome to the Good Life. What's good? How'd you guys do in London session today? I seen looks like price dropped, right? To make this bottom wick. Bottom wick. All right, Zoom link is out. Let me share my screen. Buzz Blab. Buzz Blab. Let's go. Rocky, what up? OGH. Good morning, AJ. Yo, yo. All right. All right. Welcome in, everyone. Let me lower the music a little bit. Welcome in. Welcome in. All right. How's the music? Music should be all right. Shetty in the building. What up, my friend? What up, James Clack? Nobody move. What up, Wags? Let's go. What's good? Fire Blaster. Arnie's in the building. What up, Arnie? Hey, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you can feel free to join the free Discord. Man, I go in here and I see people chatting away, and the encouragement and the love and the like camaraderie in this Discord here is just honestly amazing. I don't think I've ever seen this type of stuff going on in other people's Discords. It's truly, truly second to none. W for all you guys supporting each other, helping each other out, you know, like after the session or an Asian session, London, or just even in the traders chat room, like people going through little things. I mean, this journey, you need friends that can encourage you on this journey, whether it's just trading or whether you're just an entrepreneur in general. You know, you're gonna need good friends, man, good circle, good community to be a part of, that people that understand what you are doing, right? What you're going through as well. So W Discord, man. W Discord. So you guys can join the free Discord if you like. Put !Discord in the chat and the link will pop up for you. But yeah, let's get started here today. Welcome in. Where's Green? Yeah, I'm sure he'll be here very shortly. Very shortly, Perez. All right, let's get to it. I think we're all good on my end. Let me just minimize this, and we are good to go. Welcome all the new people. If you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like as you settle on in this morning. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to pray for you guys real quick, and then we're going to get going. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for another beautiful day, Lord. I pray that you bless your people here today. I pray that you give them strength to fulfill and accomplish whatever it is that you've placed in their mind, Lord, that we call a dream, that we call a vision. We thank you for planting it there and giving us the authority to walk in it and accomplish it, Lord. We thank you for allowing us to walk in victory, and we give you all the glory for blessing this day ahead of us. We thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. 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 Let's walk in the strength today. Let's walk in the strength. So let's go ahead and get this day started. What do you say? Did you guys like the stream? Amen's in the chat. There you go. Awesome. 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 Let's get the day started here. Today is Thursday. It is the 14th here of March, and we're almost halfway through the month. We're doing very, very well here in March, and the volume has begun to pick up. Right, as you guys can see, we were throwing the warning shots out there in January and February, just letting you guys know that March, is typically going to be where the action begins. So we have begun to see lots of volume into the markets. We have begun to see a lot of things around the trading space in general, which has been pretty cool, especially with crypto and all the good stuff. But we're going to go ahead and take a look here. It is the 14th, so we're halfway through the month, and we've got some red folders in front of us here today, right? But all in all, regardless of what's happening, whether it's red folder news, no news, it's just another day for us to settle in, right? Come to the desk, be professional, be disciplined, and stick to the plan, right? You have a playbook that works. Your only job today is to stick to that playbook here, gang. All right, so we do have some red folders coming in. We got PPI here at 8:30. You're also going to have retail sales. You're also going to have unemployment claims. So we got a lot of red, basically a sea of red folders here at 8:30. Price should begin to pick up. And we should have a good day here. Should be a lot of volume coming in. I think there's potential to get a couple trades off. So let's go ahead and open up the charts and let's see what we got going on here with gold and how we can really map things out today. We'll look at gold, we'll look at Nasdaq, and then we will kind of settle in here and just wait for our position. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Or let's just take a look at the weekly real quick. So the weekly candles have been moving up, obviously. You've had this bullish run over the last 3 weeks where, price was consolidating for quite some time, right? You had a support right here. You also had a resistance right here. And, price was just kind of messing around within this range here. So lots of small candles, sideways action until you got this big boy right. Let me go from the other side right here, right? Once you got that candle to close above resistance, there was clearly a wick to fill because we know that this was your all-time high, and we know that this was an exhaustion wick at one point back in December. Right in December, this became an exhaustion wick. Now, one thing we also know from studying candles and studying the charts is that when you have an exhaustion wick, later, right, at some point down the road, this wick becomes a target, right? So now we understand after you get that closure above, you're going to fill that wick, right? So we see the candle fill the wick, created new all-time highs, and now we're just up here in pretty much no man's land, right? We're up here in no man's land. I would expect some sort of retracement before moving back up, but that's what's going on in the weekly time frame. We've done the job here. We've filled the wick. We've come down. We've actually retested that area now. So we'll see what happens with this current weekly candle. We still have 2 days left, so we'll see if it wants to move up today or tomorrow, or if it's going to actually create a resistance level right here, right, for price to begin to retrace and move down for some sort of a pullback, right? Some sort of a move back down here over the next 3-4 weeks, and then a new support, and then possibly the opportunity to continue on up, right? So that's kind of what we got, what we're seeing here on the weekly chart. Let's go ahead and see the daily because we want to see how we're going to play the game here today, right? So that's going to come off the daily time frame. So as you guys can see, this was your crazy bullish rally here, right? So you moved up very nicely on this bullish rally here. You begin to fade out right here on this candle and then creating resistance, right? So you created that resistance. Yesterday we were looking for potential sells. We did take buys and made out pretty well. Price did move up there yesterday, and it did create a new support now, right? So now we have a new support. You have a resistance. You most likely come up, man, I'm bringing all the arrows out here today. You'll most likely come up and retest this high if we break the current high, right? So let's see what this candle's looking like on the 4-hour, 1-hour, 30-minute time frame, and we'll see how we can snag some positions here today. So 4-hour is moving down, so it looks like you created support right here. Right, very strong support right here, very strong resistance at this point right here, and now this is the range that the 4-hour candles are trading in. So looks like this candle opened up and moved down with no top wick. The other candle came up, created the top wick for it, and now if you break these lows, very high chance we will come down to fill this range here, right? It's a very clean range. Now we are bullish on the day. We'll keep that in mind as we approach this 1 hour 30-minute time frame, just to see now what are the ranges here, right? You have a wick here, you have a wick here. These are most likely resistances and supports on, let's say, a 30-minute time frame. So let's see if we could find the range. Price is moving, okay, so we are moving bullish here, right? We're moving bullish here pretty well. You have a support on the 1 hour time frame. Looks like you have your nearest resistance area, I would say, is up here. And price, if you re-break that high, price should fill that wick, right? We're coming down here. The lows are all being respected here on the 1 hour for price to continue moving up. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute. Yeah, so 30-minute looks like you may have a fake out. You broke the lows now. You're back into this nasty range. You guys see how this is a nasty range right here. Look at all these rejections, right? Lots of rejections here to the top side and to the bottom. You also have this rejection as well. And now you may have a potential fake out, right? Sitting right here after breaking these 30-minute lows now. So there's still 10 minutes, about 11 minutes left on this current candle here. We'll see how it closes. If this candle closes back above the range, then there may be a shot here to take buys to run this 1 hour candle up and anticipate that this is where price will move up from on the daily time frame, right, after creating a bottom wick. So let's mark this off. So you got potential buys or potential range 2 sells below 2167 here today. You do have a clean range coming down all the way down towards 62. That would also be breaking the 4-hour lows there, which is perfect, and the daily low. So sells below these lows here. Now, if the 4-hour closes strong bearish, then there may be a shot before this. But as of right now, we'll keep range 2 sells there, and we re-break the daily or 4-hour low and previous candle low there. So that's good. And then in terms of buys, I think if we can close back above, buys look pretty good. Yeah, buys look pretty good. If this candle closes above and probably 9 minutes or so, then there may be a shot pre-news to take buys here. But if it doesn't look perfect, then we'll most likely wait for these red folders to come out here, and then we'll go about our business. So that's pretty much the ranges that I've got. Buys above 2170, 111. And then range 2 sells below 2167, and these are perfect because these are going to break the 4-hour lows here, and if you break those lows, you should be able to move on down towards like 2163. So that's the day. That's the day here on gold. Pretty simple day, pretty straightforward. We have red folder news in just a little bit. May want to wait for the 1-hour close. With volume coming in at 8 a.m. actually, before taking buys here. If you get a 1-hour celery play, meaning if this candle, right, if you have price that looks like this, where the previous 1-hour candle closed above, and then this next candle, even if it closes bearish, as long as it's closing above the range, I think buys are straight on the break of that high. You have a wick to fill here, and once price begins to move up with volume, you should go for a ride here. So yeah, that's my story, and I am sticking to it here. That's the game plan for me today. Game plan. Cool. Okay, so buys above here, and boom, chilling. 30 minutes, strong 30-minute support right there. Looks like that was a 30-minute fake out as well at one point, right? So if you close back below there now, it looks pretty good. Pretty good ranges today here on gold. You've got another range moving down towards 58, and all in all, that's going to be like a 100 pip range. And then same thing on the way up, right? You close above here, you've got about like a 62 pip range coming up. So that is the day. That's the day. It's going to be a no trade range here for me today. I'm not going to bother with anything within there, but anything below is pretty clean move coming down, and anything above, we should be good, being that we are bullish here on the day after creating a support there yesterday. So we'll see. We'll see. Sergio TTE Banks Santos, my guy. That guy TK is speaking of that. Speaking of that guy, TK's in the house. It's good, TK. Are we selling? We're selling. We're selling. We're doing some selling. What you need? Everything's for sale. Take a look around. I got you. Purpose Salim is in the building. What up, Crypto Madden? What's good, Xander? My guy. TK, Sergio. We got the whole mod squad in the house here today. Where's Green? Green, where are you? Oh yeah, you know what's on the top shelf. Top shelf are my favorite books. Yeah. Yeah, you know, you go through the years and you accumulate all these books, you read all these books, and then you really kind of begin to realize that everything is jammed up in about 5 or 10 books. Most of those books are very old too. It's not, you know, wisdom is not new. You know, wisdom, there's not much new wisdom going on, right? Wisdom is old, so I love reading those old school books by, you know, Napoleon Hill and all them great guys, man. What's up, Kelvin? What's good? What's good? Can you check the trades in Discord? Yes. Yeah. Let's check them out. Where they at? Where they at? Charts for stream? If you guys want us to review some trades that you've taken or some ideas that you have and discuss them and talk about them here on the stream, go into the Discord, and we've got a section here. Hold on. Which is called Charts for Stream. So this is where you guys can post some charts, post some ideas, maybe some trades that you have taken, and we'll review them here on the live stream. Speaking of books, if you got any good books that you're reading, post it in this book club section here. A lot of you guys are reading a lot of good books. Yeah, oh yeah, there you go. Nice. Yeah. Let's see what you guys are reading. Reading has been probably by far the biggest action and habit that I've used to personally grow, like when it comes to personal development. I think mindset and all that. It's just what's cool about books is you get to read about these little it's like almost like a little scrimmage, right, for the real world, like the real game. So it's pretty dope. Posted in charts for stream. Where at? All I see is, oh, here it is. Wait, no, I think we went over these. Oh, okay, yeah, these are two different ones. Oh, yeah. All right, let's take a look. Oh, nice. Yeah, there you go. So that's the play we were just talking about there, right? What is this, GJ? Oh my goodness, GJ looking actually pretty good, Chad. Yeah, no, that's beautiful play. That's money. I think I don't know if you entered on the bearish candle here or the bullish one, but yeah, the only thing I would usually do is enter. Maybe you entered on the open of the candle, which is totally fine, but I'd just probably enter on the break of the high. But yeah, this thing works out lovely. W trade there. TP1. I see why you did that. You have a resistance to the left. Beautiful job. And then TP2, I guess, over here. Yeah, there's also another area. Sometimes I'll look towards closing partials. You see how these wicks kind of come up right here? Right there. So if you guys see that, right? I like this for your TP1. This is pretty nice. And then where you can look to secure more is like right here where you see things like this. Typically, like, that's where rejection will happen, and then maybe price will come back up later to finish the job. So W trade. W trade. Good job. You've been taking some really good trades. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So gold. Yeah, gold is moving down heavy here. Looks, oh yeah, kind of like I mean, that's kind of like another celery play too. Yeah, W. You had a breakout, celery play, nice move down. This looks like it was during London, right? London session. Yeah, plus, you know, you're anticipating that bottom wick, right? So in a way, when you're trading London or Asian, like let's say you're bullish on the day, you know that most likely that bull move is going to happen in the New York session or pre-New York. So there's a strategy in a way, right? A system potentially of trading the bottom wick, right? And, you know, sample sizing that during like Asian and London session and potentially having some good data on how to trade the bottom wick in a logical, professional way. You feel me? So something like this, right? Right here, we have a closure below, celery play, and drive down. Yeah, it looks like TP1, and then, yeah, nice. Previous daily lows. Yeah, good trades. Good trades. Congratulations. Crushing it. Yeah, this might be a fake out here, chat. We got 30 more minutes now until NY open, so. So when you guys by the way, when you guys share your charts, the best way to do it is give me your ideas. Let me show you guys. Let me show you how the best way to mark up charts. So we have this channel here, Trade of the Day, and we're gonna be getting back into marking these off and stuff, right? But tell like a little bit of a story. You see like how there's 1, 2, you know, I mean, not this much. This is just super detailed, but tell a little bit of story, right? So I can get your ideas and your thought process behind the trade on why you took it, you know, what the idea was, what was going on, and all that good stuff. Yeah, then we can really break it down. Let's go drop out trader. Skill was good. Did you drop out? All right, yeah, 30-minute close back in the range, back below. You also, if you mark this off as your range too, it also closed in the range. So really nothing going on just yet. Just gotta wait. Excuse me, just gotta wait it out. Hey, I got word from Top One. So Top One's gonna be, I think it's live now. They got a C Trader. So if you guys want to use C Trader on Top One, you can go ahead and do that. That is for obviously non-US clients. US clients have to wait. I believe we gotta wait another week. Next week they're gonna be in. They're gonna have a match trade, which is live. Gonna be live next week, and they're also working on Trade Locker. So those are the other two that are coming in from Top One, and then they just added C Trader too. So if you guys want to trade on C Trader, you can do that now with Top One. Yeah, man. No more GJ, man. No more GJ. No more GJ. Let's call it a day. All right, chat. See you later. Yeah, let's take a look at NAS here and see what we got going on. So let's go ahead and remove the drawings here from yesterday, and let's see what's good. So it looks like we closed bearish here yesterday. So looking for sells today. You've obviously, this is the all-time highs here on NAS. So we're in a funny just situation in general with both NAS and gold, you know, being up in these all-time highs. This is your high right here, and you know, we've just kind of been creating resistance. So notice how not yesterday, what was it, Tuesday we closed right at resistance. We were gonna potentially look for buys, you know, but we had that feeling, right? So we built out the case of why NAS could move down, why it could move up, and so on and so forth. Yesterday did end up closing bearish, therefore I would expect today's candle to, after making a top wick, be able to drive down and retest that support, come on down, wick into like this section down here where the rest of these wicks happen. So we can probably tap into the support and then maybe even get down towards the support down here today. So let's you also have a lot of red folder news coming in, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour has been moving up, and what this represents here, if you guys remember us talking about breaking down candles, this right here is your daily top wick, right? This is the current daily top wick that we've established here so far, and now we're looking to potentially create resistance, right? So if we can create resistance in this area, then just like, you know, this move down, right? You should see a nice push down here. That would be great today. I would love to see NAS come back down, give us more tradable ranges. Let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour is looking like here. So 1 hour has a resistance as well. Looks like you finally established that. You also have, you know, this, I would say this range right here, maybe even right here, that price could chop around in. Let's see if we could find a support. So there is a support right here on the 30-minute time frame. Price has been moving down quite a bit. Let's see what the 15 looks like. 15 also. So we're basically just surrounding price here, right? So 15, you have not closed below that support just yet, but this 15-minute candle does close in 10 minutes, and if it does, you should have a nice clean range coming down. One thing I do notice though is this candle has no top wick just yet, so we'll see if it remains below. But look, at one point this candle here will look just like this candle right now, extremely bearish. It probably had no top wick. Price came back up, created a top wick, closed above the range, next candle fired off, right? So don't want to trust this without this top wick or without this closure below support yet. So that's my deal on NAS here today. Other than that, you really don't have much market structure here on the 30 and the 1 hour just yet. So gonna have to use the 15 right now. So that's the ideas here for NAS. Yeah, daily candle, making a top wick. If you break that low here, you should drive all the way down to fill the wick, right? That wick fill is way down here at 18,000. So that is a major target here. I would say right around here. Yeah, right into these wicks. Yeah, lots of range here on NAS today. Lots of range. 1 hour looks really good. 1 hour created that resistance there, but we'll see. Price been struggling here on the 15 for quite a bit. Yeah, and then I'd probably say buys above. Yeah, buys above 18,212 here. Yeah, because you're bearish here today, so you're not really looking to take buys, especially if this 4 hour candle can close bearish, right? So if the news can come out and we can actually get a closure, you can get some better direction here on NAS, then I think that's where we can really pull the triggers with our sells here today, expecting the next 4 hour candle to continue down, right, and break those lows there. So you may get a strong push with news, especially if we get certain green numbers for the dollar or something, and then a pullback, and then the next 4-hour candle will be the driver there. So we will see. We will see. But that's my ideas here for the Nasdaq. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Some of you guys heard me say all that and still entered on the break of the lows. Good luck to you guys. Best of luck. I hope this works out for you. Nas, baby. Yeah, and gold, we're just going to wait. AV Mike, you think that's funny? Think that's funny, huh? What up, Jelly J? What up, Jelly J? James. What's good, Chola? Oh, wait. That's not how you say it. Can I copy from C-Trader to MT5? That's a question for Google or TK. TK is Google. Google is TK. Oh, wait. Oh, look at that. Yep. See? Yes, you can copy. There you go. W. W. How you doing, Ali Reza? What up, Buzz Black? Can you talk about wick entry? Like, what do you mean? Like wick, like on the break of the lows or on the break of the lows type of entry? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, wick entries are like, that's what you really want to look for. So let's say you have a bearish candle here, right? And this candle looks something like this. One thing I noticed like early on was that anytime, so I was always taught like, all right, wait for the closure, you know, you get the close, price close below the range, and then wait for a top wick. And then once you get that top wick, that's it. You know, you enter on the flip of the candle, and that does work. But anytime like there's a low right here, the flip of the candle really has no, like, it's not valid, right? Because it can come down here and like, let's say the distance between here and here, between the flip and the low is like 3 or 4 pips, right? The flip is not valid yet because that candle can flip back bullish, and all it did was create a bottom wick for price to continue moving up and then potentially getting caught in a fake out, right? And then one thing we also know is that in a downtrend you have lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, all that, right? So typically when you have a low and then a lower high and then you break that low right there, what tends to happen? That's typically when you're going to see the push, right? So in the same manner, the candles act in the same exact manner where, let's say price coming down from here, you have the same thing here, right? You've got a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. And then when you break this low here, what is that telling you? That's telling you that we should come down to make a brand new low, right? So what does that look like on the candlesticks? That looks like price coming down and then beginning to push, right? Give you that push coming down to create that new low. So that's the main reason for it. And then what happens if price doesn't break the low, right? It can reverse. It can reject that low and look something like this, where you have a bullish wick and then a move back up and back in the range. And then what happens in structure if we break the high? If we break this high here, what does that mean, right? That means that there's a a shift, right? A shift, and price will switch direction. So same thing here. You break the high, then price may reverse and then begin to create higher highs and then higher lows here. Now see, you got a high, you got a low, you break that high, you create a new high, so on and so forth. So that is that's the importance of waiting for the wick. Now when you're looking at a situation like this, right, where this wick is way down here, then you want to see if you can enter on not the flip but the current candle low. So a lot of times the current candle itself will give you some sort of a low, right? Let's say this is that candle with a steeper wick. A lot of times it'll give you a wick and then come up to make its top wick. So once it breaks this low here, that's your opportunity to take your sell, because you wanna get into this position to be in this, right, to fill that wick. You don't want to be entering in way down here. So you want to actually be participating in that trade at that point. So that's where you want to enter on like the current candle low. And to be honest, I don't like the flip. I was looking back at my stats yesterday. I think we took the flip like 8 times last year. 8 or 9 times, because one thing I always noticed is like I said, like I was beginning that, I would enter on the flip and I would always see this low here or like this low here, and anytime I would lose a trade where like price would flip bearish, flip bullish, it would be like flirting bullish, bearish, and then begin to go bullish. And I began to think to myself, damn, every time that happens, like I'm like, I like it so much better when we break this low here. There's such a stronger confirmation that price will go down. So I began to only take this, and my results became a lot better. And you know, this flip, being that this candle flipped already and came down here, there's no confirmation in the flip, right? It could flip again and go back and flip again, go back until it really breaks the low. Then that's where you get your confirmation that price should begin to move down now to fill this wick and then potentially go lower. So that's a little bit about entries. Keep an eye out for this. If some of you guys have never really paid attention to that low, keep an eye out for it, because it may add a little bit more confirmation and confidence to your trade. Makes sense? Perez got banned? Nah, no way. Perez everywhere. Perez about to get that Walmart wrench out. Start beating someone up with it. Perez got mad accounts. Shout out to Perez, bro. He's like he likes to stream like 6 times on 6 accounts, brother. Let's get it. Hey, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here for me today. That would absolutely make my day. The more likes, the more I like to come. The more likes, the more I like to show up here. Give me some free money. Free money. It's all free, brother. All money is free. I'm not sure why you guys still trading your time for it. You're the one trading your time for it. You can go get free money. What's up, man? Second day watching the lives. Hey, welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Glad you're enjoying the stream. I hope you enjoy your time here. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. And we look forward to hearing about your success. Want to know why you didn't buy at 10:30 yesterday? 10:30 yesterday. That was, oh yeah, that was over here, right? Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think we were waiting for, I think I wanted to see some sort of a bottom wick, right? A steeper bottom wick or something on that. Was that when we had everybody up here on Zoom? I think so, right? Yeah, I think, yeah, I was just waiting for, I think, a steeper bottom wick there. I was a little distracted too, honestly, with people up here on Zoom and stuff. Yeah, no, I look good. I think John took it. Yeah, that's right. You got that closure above. Didn't something happen where it didn't close above on the futures chart or something like that? That's why I wanted a steeper bottom wick or something. Perez Capital. Yeah, we see you now. Hey, this is your range too. Like, you're breaking these lows too now. Notice how you got, like, you wouldn't take these sells, but you're coming down now. You've got a new support here, and especially even on the 30-minute. The 1 hour looks like the break and retest. The 30-minute has some consolidation. So yeah, you may begin to drive down here, breaking 4 hour lows, re-breaking the daily lows too. There's still 11 minutes left on this 30-minute candle here. Yeah, you got a fake out too. I'm sure a lot of people took buys here. Yeah, because it was you had a wick to fill. We're bullish on the day, so I'm sure a lot of buyers were in right here. But this candle has to close below. NAS still open. Still no top wick on that candle either. Interesting. Yeah, it closed right at resistance. That's right, Louis G. Yeah, I think I remember. Yeah, we closed like right at it. I think it closed above on Oanda, which will probably follow Oanda and just trade off of these other guys over here. But yeah, I think you're right. Build up for the news. Yeah, we got news coming in here too in a little bit. So lots of red folder news today. So it's most wise to wait for this to come out and see how price action looks, see how numbers came out, and then we go from there. Yeah, same here, Lewis. Yeah, that was basically what was going on in the back of my head too. Yep. Perez Capital. We got Sam Capital, Perez Capital, Ray Capital. How many other capitals we got? Hope you saw the videos. Yeah, Charla's killing it. Yeah, I watched like 7 of them, bro. So I'm gonna reach out to you a little bit later on today. Okay, thanks for the mention. Oh, what up, Kingston? Oh, was that? Oh, yeah. He did say it was from Kingston. Yeah. My bad. I think I missed the original question. What's the new time for the live stream? 1 hour ago. So if you show up here about from 1 hour ago, whatever time that is for you, that's the time we start. We switched the clocks here in the US on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday that was. Hey, yo, where's Green? There's Green. Okay, I see you, Green. Oh, they're launching in 39 minutes? Interesting. Where can we watch? TTEC, time to eat capital. Sergio TT Banks. You guys are funny, man. OGH, yeah, nah, we don't got Kingston eating steaks yet. Not yet, not yet. I might have slipped them a little. Nah, just kidding. Not yet, not yet. Maverick, though, on the other hand. Holy. What up, Joseph? Good morning, brother. Maverick's a tank, man. That little kid. The fact that he's 1 year, like not even 2, is just insane. Insane. Top 1 trader isn't allowing US users. They will beginning next week. So they're almost done with their whole transitioning. Hey, it's been a crazy month for the prop firm industry, man. Holy, if you own a funding company right now, oh man, those are headaches that I would not be willing to endure. See, freedom is the coolest thing. A lot of people, they want more and more money. I don't. I want more and more freedom. I'm very simple guy too. Like I don't want that craziness going on, running businesses and doing all this crazy stuff just for more money, for more what, like dirty pieces of paper. I don't know. I don't think we'd ever do TT funding, man. Seeing what's going on and what some of these guys are dealing with and working through is insane. But top one's crushing the transition process here. They brought on C Trader last night. So if you guys want to use C Trader with them, you can. And then come next week, they should be live for US traders to use Match Trade, and then Trade Locker. They're finishing up some of their deal with Trade Locker. So we'll be able to use them too. They look pretty good. I have a buddy who uses Trade Locker and it looks fire. He said he likes it too. Yeah, they're if you guys know Top Tier too, I think Top Tier has been using Trade Locker for quite some time. Freedom, baby. Yeah, I had someone reach out to me, I guess one time when I was saying I think it was in the beginning of the month where I was like, hey, elite spots are open, you know? And someone reached out to me, they're like, hey man, my name is this, my name is that, like I can help you generate more sales, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, dude, what? He's like, yeah man, I'll jump on Zoom calls, I'll do all this, I'm like, bro, slow down, G. Slow down. I only open this up for 5 people, man. That's it. Every month. That is it. He's like, bro, why not scale? What's holding you back from scaling? Dude, I enjoy my freedom, bro. I'm not trying to clog up my calendar for more money, right? I don't need all that. He's just trying to like convince me more and more. Like, dude, if you scale, you could do this, you could do that. But I'm like, brother, that's not what I'm doing it for. Gotta love the sales guys, man. All 20. All right, look, Green said all 20 of your accounts are working. All right, perfect. Yeah, I enjoy freedom too much to clog up my calendar, man. You know, I really like just working with a few people every month. You know, I enjoy coming up to the live stream and stuff, and you know, doing this. My family's still sleeping for the most part. You know, we're on here for like three almost 4 hours a day, so I really enjoy doing this. I enjoy working one-on-one with people from time to time, but other than that, I want to enjoy my freedom, man. I want to enjoy my wife. I want to enjoy my kids. I want to go out and have fun and do activities while everyone else is in the cubicle, sucking down water fountain tap water and breathing all recycled oxygen and getting hit with the fluorescent lights, man. I want to be out doing my thing at that point, Just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. Don't get too upset. Just kidding. But yeah, it's just too important, too important. You only get one life that we know of, and I want to spend it doing anything I want to do. And I encourage you guys to do the same way, to do things the same way. My mentor would tell me, Nick, people who know how to do everything always work for people who know why they do it. And, you guys, people always want to figure out more and more and put more on their calendar and more on their plate. And, they want to understand how to do everything. And that's not the key to freedom. That may be the key to getting rich. But wealthy is different than rich, Rich is you have a lot of money and this and that, but wealth is truly quality of life, and you can be making a third of what the other guy's making and be way more peaceful than that person, right? So keep in mind, people who know how to do everything always work for people who know why they do it. So know why you do it. Like my why is, like I was just explaining to you, freedom to do what I want, when I want, where I want, with who I want, for as long as I want, because I got time and money, right? Some people just got too much money, not enough time, or you got too much time, not enough money. Yep. You brag too much? I don't brag. I'm spinning the dream on you, but you're not catching it. You're not getting it. You're not hearing what I'm saying, right? You're not hearing it because you don't believe that you could be free, but you can, my friend. You can be free. You're worthy of it. You just got to catch hold of the vision. You got to catch hold to the dream. You got to hear from someone else who has already done it. I posted on my story the other day or last night. Everything changed for me. Back in 2011, I was invited to a business meeting. Young, sharp, handsome, tall, tan guy walks in the room. He's the speaker, and you just felt his energy, man. When he came in the room, you felt him. You heard the authority in his voice, right? And he was talking about freedom. And I never knew freedom, man. I thought freedom was like freedom of slaves or freedom of this, but we're all slaves in the matrix. And he was talking about glitching the system and cracking the matrix and spending time the way he wants to spend it, right? Because he put together some ongoing income, right? And created that freedom for himself. So, man, he was marching up. You know how some speakers, they'll stay on the stage? Not this dude. This dude was running through the aisles, man. Like, I was looking back at him, and he was talking about freedom. And that was when the dream really hit me, that I could be free. I thought that the rich people, it was just they were born into it, or it was some sort of special privilege. But this guy was a gym teacher, 5 years before that. He was a gym teacher, and he went on and created an incredible lifestyle for himself. And he was talking about, me and my family, we just got back from the Mediterranean Sea cruise. We were down there for 14 days. And he's like, before that, I spent the last 2 weeks in Hawaii with my family. And guess what? I could have said, screw that guy. He's bragging. And you know what? I could have remained average, mediocre for the rest of my life. But you know what I said? I said, that guy inspires the freaking daylights out of me. I want that energy. I want that lifestyle. I can see that it's possible, right? And what was the difference between me, who maybe went out and did a little something in life, and the guy next to me? Maybe he thought the guy was bragging, and I got inspired by what he was saying because he spun the dream. He showed me that it was possible. So we're not bragging. We're trying to spin the dream on you and let you know what's possible, because it's possible for you. If it happened for me, it could happen for you, right? I'm no better than you, no smarter than you. I don't have any more skills than you. I just know why, right? I just know why I do things. Yeah. Man, 2011. Then I started reading books about guys who went on and became some of the most successful people in America, and they only had third grade education. And that's when I really started to understand that it was possible that anyone can develop success, but they have to follow the law, right? There's things that need to be done. There's inputs that need to be done to get the output result. So input action, output results. No input action, no output results. Matrix. Yeah, your story, man. Your story is important. And everyone's story, like I said in the podcast, is dream, struggle, victory. First you get the dream, you catch the vision. You think everything was happy-go-lucky after I seen that? You know, I got those great feelings of wanting to be free, but guess what? It took 10 years. It took 10 years of hard work, hard labor, not only in my, work ethic on the businesses that I was building, but in my mindset, in my spirit, in within me, right? To develop that winner within, it takes a lot. It takes a lot of work, and it was a journey. So it didn't happen overnight, but it happened over many nights. Right, Green? Green seen me through all this too. What up, Sam, man? Good morning, good morning. Anyone trading here with the prop firm funded traders? Nah, we never heard of them. We didn't see them around here. Man, everyone's looking for TFT's head right now. Yeah, no, I have accounts with them that are not up right now, or I think a bunch of other people do too. Am I in a trade? No. Nope. It is NY open here. We moved down right away. Let's see how NAS did. See, we never moved down here on NAS, right? Never moved down. We did close below though. At this point, we do have this news coming out here in just a few minutes. So I'm gonna be sitting tight, waiting on news, and then we're gonna go from there. So maybe it may be a 4-hour trade later today, right? If this 4-hour can pump down, like kind of like we talked about, like let's say we get green numbers and this 4-hour begins to drive down here, or I'm sorry, we were talking about that on NAS, but on gold here as well. If you get this 4-hour to drive down, we can begin to take our sells on the next 4-hour candle to fill that wick. And honestly, same exact thought process here on NAS today. Is you see how the 4-hour is, you have the move down, you kind of coming back up. You're bearish on the day, right? We're expecting that this is the top wick for price to begin to move down now. So if that's the case, right, if price action is going to be true to price action today, then what we would want to do is we want to see the 4-hour candle close, and it may drive down, chat. It may drive down, tap into the support, and then pull back or close below and leave a wick for us on the next candle. Same example as gold, right? And then we take our sells coming down. Yeah, because you're going to get volume during the news. That's a given. Where we go and if we pull back is really up to the markets. What up, Michael Cook? '11th hour. What's good? What's good? Do you think you've been experienced well in this 3 months with NAS? No, not at all. Nowhere near experience as you know, we only have, so we've actually been watching NAS since like July of last year. So it's not just 3 months, but in the 3 months that we've traded it, I think we've only taken like 3 trades. Everything else been all gold. So we're still gaining experience, sample sizing, gaining knowledge, not pulling the trigger right away, you know, and just being cool with watching. You know, a lot of you guys just gotta, if you're trying something new and looking at new pairs, you gotta be cool with just watching this, you know, watching pairs and letting it go sometimes just to see what would happen so you can stack experience under your belt. You know, go low risk when you take the trades on that pair, all that. Gotta be patient with the process. Sam and John gonna be on today? I would assume so. It is Thursday. It is the end of the, towards the end of the week, which is the real big trading days, Thursday and Friday. So I would assume they'll be here. Hi from India. Oi! It's good. Nothing's impossible with God. Nope. That's why I prayed for you guys in the beginning of the live stream, so that you guys would understand that that dream, right, is the vision, right, that God has given you. And if he's given it to you, then it's yours and you need to walk in victory, right? And maybe after this live stream, something hits you today and you go, you know what? He's right. I do have to walk in victory. What did he say? Guys that didn't even finish 3rd grade went on to become the most successful people in America. I am worthy. I can walk in that strength, right? If they could do it, you could do it. Nice evening in Kenya. Nice. Evening time, eh? Still early morning here for me. It's trippy, man. Nighttime for you guys, morning time for me. Did you guys listen to the podcast? What'd you guys think? Yeah, TK, it's like still nighttime for TK, low key. Louis G, where you at again? Texas? Texas, right? I think. Houston, that's right. Yeah, 1 hour behind, so it's 7:10, almost 7:11. Yeah. So you guys learned a little bit about the pack runner, a little bit more about the pack runner, right, yesterday? And that's why around 8 a.m., you want to keep your, like, look, it happens again right here. You know, this happens almost every day at 8 a.m. So, and it's usually the 8 a.m. candle from the 15-minute candle from 8 to 8:15 that will go on and break lows, right? Or break highs if it's in a, you know, different situation, and then begin to move up. So you see it again right here. So that's why anytime you're taking those trades at 8:15 or 8 o'clock, you want to leave room for that pack to get grabbed, because it seems to always happen. Yesterday I almost got nipped, man. You guys seen how close that was. Almost got nipped there, and I did leave it a little further down just for that reason, but we almost came and took it out. But yeah, we survived that one. And if you got stopped on that one, don't even worry about it. Just now understand the concept of the pack runner. And then let's say we didn't enter yet, right? So say we didn't enter the position yet. Well, now you know, okay, look, we grabbed the pack. If we re-break the highs, it should go. And that's typically what you're going to see happen. TK's in Hawaii. Oh, TK TK's in Hawaii. TK's no man. TK, when we going to Hawaii? What's good? Options. It ain't Hawaii. Oh, Starship on standby. Oh, it's gonna launch. I wonder if that'll do anything to the markets. Do I think putting stop loss above previous highs and lows is still valid? Yeah, I do. I do. If you have something better, like let's say you have actual structure. So let's say you want to put your stops, you want to get into a sell, or yeah, a sell right here. Right? You want to put your stops here. That's totally fine. Sometimes you can find a little bit of structure though. You see the 15 structure and just kind of like put it up like that. So you don't, I don't agree with putting it like right on it, because I've been stopped like that for no reason, especially when if you're dealing with like the Forex brokers, offshore brokers, where there's going to be slippage and spread. Then it's tough because they can just boink, you know, doink you right out and then drive the price down. So I would recommend putting it a couple pips above though. Yeah, so look like that, you know, just in case you want to come up, break the high, or if you see this wick right here, you can put it right here. Like some guys trade with stops right here, like this. Honestly, I would be mad comfortable in that trade, right? Mad comfortable in that trade, knowing that you got plenty of time to manage it if price wants to go. And it's, I wouldn't say this is a good idea for me, but like definitely like something like this. So you, number one, you got time to manage, and number two, you're not just going to get doinked out, you know, by a little pack runner or something. You know, there's been quite a few times where price came up, tapped me out, and then just drove down, right? So yeah, I think leaving some room to breathe is something I'll be adding to my trading a little bit more, versus, you know, there's gonna be a time and a place for everything. Like sometimes you are gonna keep it on the current candle high, or sometimes you're gonna do things like that. So yeah, you'll probably see me do a little bit more breathing room moving forward, because typically we're on the money about direction almost every day, right? There's just sometimes is like gold likes to do these wicks and stuff like that, so it can throw the trade off. But typically every day our analysis plays out. It's just whether or not we, you know, we have a doorway in, and you know, when we do, we take really good trades obviously, but there are some times where you get, you know, wicked out and then price just drives, and those are like so annoying. How many guys have been there? Because like, you know, like, yo, I just anticipated and took a really good trade, but because I wanted to keep my stop so tight, I got knocked, right? I got hit on it, and price still. So your idea was there, but you're not gonna feel like a winner, right? A lot of times you're not gonna feel like damn, I was on that one. I got it. You know, you're gonna be like, ah man, stop loss got hit. You know, so yeah, it'll probably leave some breathing room moving forward. Plus, it gives you better opportunities to manage your trade. 555 in Nepal. Hey, 555. Really, that's crazy, because over here it's the 15th minute of the hour. One hour look clean if we break the lows. Yeah, this isn't bad. This isn't bad. I would probably look at a closure below here in 13 minutes, but the only problem is we have news in 13 minutes. So we've got unemployment claims, PPI, what else? Core retail sales. So yeah, I might stay out unless we come up first. Excuse me. Like if we come down, break the lows, right, and then come up to create a top wick, then I would have sell stops on the break of the low, right? But I'm not gonna just like get into the trade like a few minutes before news, because I don't know where price will go. What news? What news? Nice, yeah. So look, volume coming in. And yeah, I think someone said, hey, I would expect green numbers. Probably, you know, me too. So they may be beginning to move price down here. But that's okay because it's all good. You have a lot of room on the 4-hour chart here. If we do come down and pull back and leave a wick, that'll leave opportunity for the next 4-hour candle. Uh-oh, Nazier, stop losses are getting hit now. Told you guys. There goes that top look. There goes that top wick. Would you look at that?
You look at that.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
There it goes. And there she goes. A lot of buyers here too, I know it. Can you give me some $100 for trading? No, but if you go over to Raja Banks' channel, ask him that same question, I'm sure he'll give it to you. Yeah, just ask him that question. Missed the guitar? No, the guitar's coming up in like 30 minutes. Yeah, just see what he says to you. Yeah, look at this, pulling back now, pulling back. So look, this would be a perfect opportunity for me if there wasn't news coming in. Like if we had a closure below, I'd be in this 100%. Coming down, partial TP right here, full targets down here. But we've got news and price can do anything at this point. Remember, we're still bullish based off the day. So if you don't get any closures below there, it's not gonna work out too well. Tell him we sent you. Report back with his answer to that. I'm sure it'll be very encouraging. Nobody move. I was hoping you were going to throw me 100, man. I woke up early today just for this. I would like to see it. Are you stupid or you don't? Yeah, please let us know when you ask because I want to watch. Yeah, so pulling back here now, so still no closure yet, right? 8 minutes left. Anything can happen. This candle can close down here at like 21.62 for all we know. But right now, pulling back, did break the lows, but yeah. About 16 pips, nice. And now we got a top wick here on NAS, right? So the candle came up, created that top wick for his buddy to the left. These are things that I want you guys to see, right? Like, just understand if I'm, even though I'm talking up here, I see it all, you know, like I'm always watching and seeing what's going on. Even when it doesn't look like I am, I'm literally sample sizing right in front of you guys. But yeah, there it is. So you guys can see it in a little pack runner potentially, or just giving that candle a top wick. And you see how the 15 has no bottom wick. these are signs here, right? So normally a candle would have a bottom wick. So what did price do? Pop up, give that candle a top wick potentially, and now we'll come down and flip bearish to give the candle a bottom wick, and now potentially may move down, right? Begin to close celery-ish, celery play, and then drive down here today. Five-minute candles looking sick. Wiki. Yeah, that's true. How many of you guys are trading right now? You guys in sells, buys? You guys anticipating news? What you guys doing? Gotta love Raja. Yeah, Raja's the best, man. The best. He's funny. He's very inspiring too. I like what he said the other day. He said, you know, he was talking to somebody and he said, yo, listen, everything you want is on the other side of 10 years. Everything you want. And honestly, it's so true. You know, it really is. Like, there's a journey to this stuff. You know, if you have a mentor and a coach that you can, like, personally work with, like, they can shortcut that journey for you. But, man, everything you want is on the other side of the next 10 years. It really is. Or really on the other side of 10 years from the moment you begin that journey, right? That personal growth and development journey. For me, I began that in 2011, right? So it's actually no surprise that in 2021-ish, that's when things really started to pick up for me. Right? Almost exactly 10 years. Crazy. Up until then, it was just, you know, got into a valley, walked out of that, up a hill, back into a valley, up a hill, back into a valley. Yep. That Rolls Royce, yeah, and look at Raja. I mean, even when I found him, just in like what 2019, you know, like how much that dude's life has changed since then. And if you think about it, that's really only been, you know, like not even 5 years, right? So a lot can change, man. A lot can change in 5 years. A lot can change in 1 year. It's good. PM Magnifico. I'm putting buy stops and sell stops at 8:30. Dope. I'm in sells. Oh, nice. Since 74. Okay. That's like the Lil John. Since 74. Nice, dude. Beautiful. Holy 80 pips. Done with gold, 28 pips. Oh, okay, Perez. I see you. Waiting for the casino. Nice. Waiting for 4 hour. Good idea. Full margin sells on all accounts. Wonderful idea. I'm putting buy stops, sell stops. Nice. Just chilling. Dope. Chilling. Waiting for the setup. Love it. Oh, Sam Capital is in the house. Sam Capital. Let's bring him on up. Welcome to the stage.
What's going on, Nick?
Sam Capital.
What's going on, brother?
How we doing?
Yo, I gotta send you those clips. No, I'm doing great.
Send me the clip.
Yeah,
Nobody
I
move.
gotta send them. What up, chat? Oi.
Where is Sam? Here he is. Boom.
Bink.
You
What's
see
on
that?
the ass?
He's right on time.
Yeah. What up, Paras? Oi. Look at always in the chat.
50K.
What we got?
Oh, we got always in the
here
chat.
a minute.
We got news coming in 2 minutes. Good old PPI, retail sales, unemployment claims, just boom, 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 clip,
Pump them out. Pump them out.
pump them all out.
Yeah, so
We throwing red
I
folders
think the
out.
ones that'll hold the most weight will be the PPI M over M, and then the core PPI M over M. And let me look at the numbers on my screen real quick. It's what they're forecasting. Green numbers. Oh, for that, they're forecasting. Okay, so they're forecasting red numbers for the core PPI, and then the normal PPI, there's no change. So we'll see. We'll see.
Red numbers, huh?
Red numbers could move gold up.
Yeah.
We'll see if we'll get it.
Yeah, and we're bullish here on the day. Could we be making a 4-hour support? Should we whip out the fib? Looks like a 50% fib level right here. What do you think, chat? 50% or 68.2? I think it's 50%. Oh. I mean, not 60. Yeah, 50%. Holy. Nikki Phibbs, how you doing? That's why I don't use the fib anymore. And we rejected off 61.8. Holy. This is a move. This thing's going up, 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 and away, chat.
It's time to full port. No, I'm playing. I do a little trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little
Little
trolling.
something, something.
Yeah, we'll see what happens.
From time to
We'll
time.
see.
Yeah, that fib might get destroyed here. Fib's capping. The fib's fibbing, G. The fib is fibbing. Or is it? Let's see if that fib works here today.
Yeah, let's see. It moons.
Here it comes. 15 seconds. Good luck to all my friends. May peace be with you.
Yes.
Have fun.
Enjoy the roller coaster ride. It's about to, the operator's about to send you.
Oh, straight drive
Later.
down.
Yes, let's see.
Foot slipped for sure. You got slipped 35 pips. And here comes, will the fib be telling the truth?
Oh, so you had green numbers for the PPI?
Oh, green numbers?
Everything else is loading still. And then you had red numbers for the core retail?
Yeah.
Pending. Green numbers for PPI?
Oh,
so
yeah.
green
we should
numbers
move
for
down.
PPI. Green numbers for both the PPI. Yep.
We should move downtown here today.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice. Nas gave you a celery play too here. Closed below the range, gave that candle a top wick, respected the high. Beautiful price action on the Nasdaq. Lovely. Lovely. Full margin buys. Oh my. Off the fib.
Yep. Yeah, overall, the forecast kind of messy.
A bit messy, right?
Yeah, like the forecasts were.
Yeah.
Just like,
Green, red, green,
because
red.
you kind of yeah, exactly. Let's see, how big was that print? I think that wasn't even anything too crazy.
I think it was like
40
35 pips. Yeah, 40
Yeah,
pips.
on the print. That's enough.
Yeah, the only way I really like to trade news is if we come up first and then come back down
And then
with green numbers.
without, yeah, like it doesn't print.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think there's only been like one time we've seen that though.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't happen
With,
too
like,
often.
it might have been NFT. I don't remember which one. That was a W day.
Yeah, you had a closure below. Bingo. Straight down. If this wasn't news, we'd be in there, or I'd be in there. 1 minute chart. I'll be right back.
TK wants to be on the 1 second chart. Probably wildin'. You need that 1000 up and down, download and upload for that, bro. You got a new candle that prints every second. Got that gigabit. Holy. George video. Ooh, Mufasa. Reminding me why I strive for entrepreneurship. Yeah, brother. Go out there and get what's yours in this world. You're a beast. Anything that you can envision up here, make it yours. You can, 100%. What up, Magnus? What up, Paras? Paras Capital? Yo, did everybody else have a beautiful day yesterday after the stream? But let me tell you, it was so nice out. I got out there, soaked up the sun all day, and I tell you what, by the time I got home, fell asleep, I think it was like 5 minutes. It all took. I was out, bro. Some of the best sleep I had in a long time.
Ooh, he was gone.
Sun, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Because that was like when I texted you and I was like, yo, I'm going to get up on the, I'm going to get all those soundboards singing for you, bro. I sat down for like 5 minutes after that.
Dude had the snoring soundboard on.
Yeah.
He's gone. Oh, wow. Disappearing. Biden's up.
Yeah, he's trying to come back. I was like, get down there, boy. Push him
Get
back.
down there.
Stay down, boy.
I got this. Yeah, levels. Yup, right straight down to 60. What was that? 61. Yup, 61. Tapped right in there, and then now we'll see where we go. So if we could pull back here on the 4 hour, the next 4 hours should finish the job and tap into 57 there. So hopefully it waits for us, and we can capitalize on these moves.
Yes, sir.
What up, Billy O'Neill? Bull the Trader in the house. What up, Bull the Trader?
Hey, Bull the Trader.
Energy in the building. Hey, did you switch your name to Energy? The Energy. What up, Grind Time Mufasa? That's good, my boy. 1 minute building support. Holy.
Oh, yeah, that's how it's making liquidity.
I was actually doing some sample sizing on the 1 minute. Bro. You don't want to play with this 1 minute, man. It was
One
like
thing I've noticed, like, I just feel like it, like the candles don't really, the price action is just like it doesn't matter. Like, look at all those candles out top or bottom wicks. Like,
yeah, I was just gonna say, like, you could take a sell here, and then it literally, if your stops are above the highs, blink. Like, it's so like,
yeah,
it's just too unpredictable. Like, it goes crazy unless I actually studied it more and more.
and that's why I like to just be patient. I'll rather take a 1 hour setup or something, bro.
Me
you
too.
Just figure out, you get stopped out in like 10 seconds on that one.
Exactly.
You put 2% risk on.
I was watching this one dude's live stream, bro. He got into like 4 trades, and he was just like, all right, we're in here. Keep my stops right here. It was like the 1 minute chart. He's like, Stop that. Bro, he did that like 5 times in like less than 5 minutes. I'm like, damn. That sounds like work to me, man. That sounds exhausting.
Nah, that sounds like gambling. That sounds like when you're at the casino, dealer gives you
Hit
a
it again.
16 and you take a hit and then you bust and you're like, all right, next hand.
Oh, man.
I see the same thing.
He was like, no.
Nah, I don't know.
No. All right.
I couldn't believe it, bro.
Yeah, I'm like, dude, I mean, you're trading on the 1 minute chart. What do you expect, bud? What do you expect, bud? I changed it. Hey, switch it up. Let's go.
No. That's so funny, bro.
Yeah, no, it was pretty comical. Good morning, Nick. Hey, good morning, Cheryl. 1 minute Warriors word. 1 minute breakouts during news. Hey, that's true. How did that work here today? 1 minute breakout. Yeah, he drove down in the next 2 minutes. Vibrating higher today. Let's go. Big W. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, no quaking. Yeah. It's grind time. It's grind time, Mufasa. Yeah, now's the hustle time. Gotta get it. It's good to groom, Smith. Take a look at charts for stream. Oh, yeah, we'll take a look.
What up, Groomsmith?
Let's see what we got here. Bullish day. Is this considered a fake out if it closes right where the huge wick is? How valid can the fake out look? I don't think that was a fake out because you never had a candle that actually closed below here. So I don't think it was really a fake out. I just think price didn't close below there yet. So it's pretty much, you know, stuck in that range now and just chopping around there. So I wouldn't consider that a fake out. Maybe if you were using this as your support right here, but I wouldn't be using this support when there's a major support right there. So nah, I don't think it was really a fake out. Yeah, I just think price still ranging. Oh, back up we go. 5 minute pumping up here now. Did we break the... No. So we did not break no previous lows, anything like that. Hey, we're still at the 50% level here. This fib might not be fibbing, G. Holy. We're still on it.
It is.
It might. We had to come down to that 78.6 real quick, you know?
Yeah. Had to get that deep retracement.
Yeah. What I was always taught is if it goes below 78.6, it's a reversal, not a retracement now.
Done.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah, that's that. Yeah, actually, that's so funny you say that, because actually, I remember someone saying that to me too. They said,
Yeah.
If it touches your 78.6, drop backwards. You might have it backwards. And I'm like, oh.
Flip it around the other way. It'll make you feel better.
And then I don't know what the hell I'm doing because I'm just start drawing fibs upside down and all kinds of, yeah, bro. You keep the trading simple.
They like to call this the golden zone.
That's the money. Yeah.
If the fib honestly was the best like tool / indicator I thought out of all of them, but it's still like very unreliable. But if you guys are using fibs, I think this is your best. These are your best levels there. Don't take a picture of it. Just don't even do it.
Yeah, don't even worry about it.
Don't even go down that rabbit hole.
Yeah, like you can just see all that kind of stuff. Like
yeah,
you just get so used to like that golden zone is just gonna be like an onion play.
Exactly.
Or like
exactly.
That kind of
Yeah, like we'll see it. Like that's how we even brought it up. I'm like, here's a Fibonacci. We're most likely at the 50% level, right? And where were we? Exactly on that level. So you can begin to see it with your eyes.
Yeah, you just get super familiar.
Yeah. The EYES indicator. All right, the groomsmith. Have a great day, man. Enjoy it.
Easy, Groomsmith. We'll see you around, brother.
Appreciate you pulling up yesterday. What's up, Alfonso?
Yeah, that was dope yesterday. I love to get on here with every single
That was cool.
members of the community.
Shout out to all you guys coming on here, having the guts to come up in front of 1,000 people and talk a little bit. I know that's a big deal for a lot of people, so proud of you guys for coming up and letting it rip and hanging out with us for a few minutes.
Yeah, no, I honestly don't think anybody did a bad job or like anything yesterday. Everyone was so cool.
No.
Everyone was so chill up on the Zoom. It was dope.
Yes, sir. Maybe we'll do that more often.
Yeah. Speaking of Zoom, look who it is. The kid.
Johnny DiCaprio's in the house.
Yeah. The G.
How you doing?
Bring him up.
Look at that smile, eh? That's a smile
Yeah,
right
he knows
there.
what time it is.
Let me spotlight him. Johnny boy, how you doing?
My brothers,
What's
Yo.
goody?
how you guys doing today?
I'm feeling great. How you
What's
feeling?
good? What's good?
Feeling amazing, bro. Ready to win the day.
Let's get it.
Get it.
TTW.
Grateful for another day. Praise Jesus.
Amen.
Amen.
Yeah,
What a day.
lovely.
Do you show us when you're
What
placing an
up,
order?
chat?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Happy Thursday, chat. Good to see y'all here again today. Let's go. We locked in, locked and loaded.
Ready to go. What do you want to do?
You want to do? How you doing? Nobody moves. Nobody gets clipped.
No, they don't. What's your Instagram? Instagram. I haven't got that one. Let me type my Instagram.
What up, Chavla?
Jabla.
You got the pronunciation
Chabla.
right now.
Is it Chabla? Chabla.
That's my IG. Right here.
It's Nick Stewart. No, I'm kidding.
Not Nick. There's
It's
no D at the
Stewart.
end. Hey,
That's the fake
Wags.
one.
It's good to see you up here, Wags. Energy was up here bringing the energy.
True.
Facts.
Yeah, that was
AB Mike, as always.
that was
Buzz
fire.
Blab was in the house.
Yeah, shout out everyone who came on Zoom yesterday. It was great chatting with y'all. Let's go.
Yeah.
That's your name, Chabla? Rishi Chabla?
Jabla. Oh, let me get rid of this. You guys got it? Yeah, this is my only IG, gang. Like, there's a lot of fake pages of me, so just be aware of that. And, like, I'm not going to, like, randomly hit you up and hit you with the Bitcoin spiel and the copy trader spiel and all that stuff.
You ain't gonna do that extra stuff.
You're not going to get a message from me saying, how's your trading going? Hi, I'm just checking up on all my followers. Like, yeah, okay, but in the Discord they go, hi, I'm just, and they're listening right now, so they're gonna have to switch this up. But they go, hi, I'm just reaching out to all the members of my Discord just to see how their trading's going. Have I told you that I have this private equity investment firm that if you wanted to fund, you can get 100% returns every 2 weeks? When would you like to deposit your first $5 million? Yeah, ain't gonna happen.
Scammers are punching the air right now, bro. They're like, nah.
They're like,
we
nah.
exposed the whole script.
They're like, get to work, get to work, get to work. We need new ideas.
Yeah. They like fly the drawing board out on wheels.
They're on the whiteboard
Crazy
right now.
chalkboard. Yeah. Yeah, that's funny, bro.
Oh man.
What a job that is, huh?
Word, bro. That's what I've always said. Like, imagine all that effort that those people put into scamming and like trying to get one over on someone, instead of just building themselves up and becoming someone of value. Like, I don't know. Crazy, bro.
For real, man.
Holy.
And they're playing with bad energy. They're gonna get it's cursed at the end of the day. So
Word.
Yeah. Only hurting yourself, friend. Only hurting yourself.
yeah.
What does it gain a man to get things from the world but lose his soul? You don't want to know the answer to that question. You don't want to smell the burning flesh, my friend. You don't want to smell the and hear the screams. Oh my goodness. Not a good place to go. Time to tighten up.
Yeah, man. Always keep that in mind. Like, we're not here forever. We're going somewhere else after this. So just keep that in mind with all things you do.
Some of you guys be messing with them, I know. I like to mess with the scammers too. Hey, one time, he just couldn't even do it. I think I told you guys about that. He tried to, or the person tried to, act as like one of the winners of like a challenge account or something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think you
what was it? Like, he tried to change his name to someone who the
Yeah,
winner
he
was.
changed his
Like,
name to someone who won, and I knew the guy who won, right? Like, I already knew him. We had already like had personal conversations in Discord, so I just played along with it. I'm like, hey man, what's going on? Yeah, congratulations. All I'm gonna need is, you know, your first and last name, like things that we need to get them the account. Man was like, honestly, bro, I'm trolling right now, dude. Like, I don't even know why I'm doing this. God's watching me. I'm like, W, bro. W.
Yeah.
W. W.
I was like, you could change your name. And I was like, I asked him like a couple questions. I was like, I knew that before I even replied to you. I was just messing with you. I was just trolling with you, man. I was just trolling.
At least you're on.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
And then we went back and forth on this like repentance conversation real quick. And I was like, by the way, dude, you could change your name back to like what it was. He was like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm not Sam Capital anymore. Oh man.
That's hilarious.
We do a little trolling.
Trolling the troll. Yeah, just like Trader's X said.
Yeah, you troll,
No,
you
but
troll the
this is
trolls,
thing.
man.
You cannot troll the master trolls. Good luck.
Oh man.
We invented troll.
Hey, they even be hitting up the account winners to like upsell them on something else. Like, hey, yeah, we got your account, but was just wondering if you wanted to invest a little something in here. Like, what are you upselling to giveaway winners? Like, come on, man.
Crazy.
They're
Crazy.
begging. They're begging.
They brother starving.
Election year will make market choppy. Nah, if anything, I'll say it will make the market have more volume.
Trendy.
Yeah.
Give us more opportunities.
That sent shivers down my spine. Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about. It should. It should. Yeah, shout out to Energy, Big W. Proud of you, coming along well.
Yeah, we're shout out Energy.
Hey, I remember
Best name in the chat.
The first time I spoke in front of a crowd of people, yo, I didn't even know I was speaking. So there was a schedule like that was built out for speakers, and like I was a part of this business team, and like I had never spoken before in front of people, like, and this was I think in like 2013. I still have the video. I have a video of it. And someone, when I got to the meeting early, someone was like, "Yo, Nick, bro, can't wait to hear you speak today." I'm like, "Huh? What?" And they're like, "Yeah, man, kill it." And I'm like, "Nah, this guy's messing with me. Like, someone would have told me if I had to speak today, bro." Next up, Nick Stewart. I'm like, "Nah, you guys ain't serious, right?" Yeah, I just let it rip, bro. I didn't have anything prepared, nothing. I just was like, played it off as if I knew I was going up there the whole time. But what did it do? It kicked me out of my comfort zone, you know. And when I put that mic down, I was like, "Damn, that felt good. That felt real good."
I was gonna say, like, bro, like obviously, like right before that moment and everything, like, you know, you got the anxiety, you're nervous, but then it's just like, do you just like shut it down and just go right in and do it? Like, so I just feel like that's the only way I can, you know, operate sometimes in those situations, where if I feel like
just taking
gotta
action.
do it, bro. Yeah, just go and do it. You gotta know yourself too, like, cause like it's like, yeah, like you know yourself. It's like, bro, I'm him. What am I worried about?
I'm him.
Yeah.
I'll exercise whatever I need to do.
Action, yeah, and action cures fear too.
Hey,
you know,
let's go. 100%, dude.
Fear is like always based off of something that hasn't even happened yet, and then once you actually take action and do what you were fearing, like it wasn't what you were expecting, because you got a false expectation on it, or false thought process.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I remember one time I wasn't like speaking or anything. This actually was another guy was, but he called me out from the crowd because he was like, "Does anybody think that they could?" It was like this like 6-foot like pole. He was like, "Does anyone think that they could balance this on one finger for 10 seconds? I'll give you $100." I'm in the crowd like, easy. Who do you think I am, bro? Come on, man, let me at it, bro. I get up there, and then he's like, "All right, the only rule is you can't look at your hand, bro." And he sat there and made me do it like 5 times. And the second I look away from my fingers, it literally would fall straight on the ground.
Yeah, man. Nah,
it's
it's
just
so
like
true.
you got one life to live. Who cares what anyone else thinks? Get up there, make yourself look like a clown every once in a while. Build it.
That's facts.
Also, the more you do, the easier it gets.
Exactly.
You know, and like after you do it too, like you build up like this anticipation, maybe nerves, like in the butterflies, you know, all that. But once you're up there and you're flowing, you just start flowing, and then all of a sudden, like if your time is done, you want to hold the mic still. You're like, "Nah, I got more to say," you know. And then by the time you get off the stage, you're feeling excellent. Like you're on like crack without being on crack, dude. It's like a high that nothing can give you, man. Just coming off of a stage, and you're just like, damn, like when you act on your fears too, it builds a whole nother animal within you, man. Like now you know I could do anything, you know. So one of the big things that I was taught too is like, before you get up there, back straight, deep breaths, fill your lungs up, and hit the stage. Yeah. That's what I did.
Back. Good.
Yeah, man.
Breaths are key in those types of situations or circumstances. For sure.
Thoughts, bro. You be like, "I can do this. I'm gonna crush this. I'm gonna crush this. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna deliver something." And then once you have something of value, you begin to take the eye off yourself, and now you're putting your eyes on other people, right? It's like, "Yo, I got something special to share. I'm not gonna hold back. Like I can't be thinking about me. I have to think about these people today. Like I'm gonna be able to pour something into them that's helped me, that's worked for me, and could potentially work for them." So once you begin to take the eye off yourself and focus on others, become not selfish but selfless, and pour into others, then it becomes like you begin to live in your own like you know you were called to do it in a way, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, and that self-program is, hell yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, because like once you take the eye off yourself, and you're no longer worried about making yourself look stupid or anything like that, you're purely, like you had just said, focused on delivering.
Yeah.
Really getting put out there what you want to put out and enlighten people with.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember in the beginning, I wouldn't even eat like dinner before I went to these, like, because a lot of times they were held at night, like in the evening. I wouldn't even eat dinner, bro. But then eventually it got to the point where, like, it was just a regular day, just like the live stream, you know? Just like the live stream. Like, now I show up here, it's just another day. Where when I first began it, it was like, all right, you know, got to make this work, got to see, you know, got to, you know, do the right things, trade the right ways. And now it's just, you just begin to get into that flow state. Like the boot camp, right? I'm sure like the first day of the boot camp, you were a little butterflies, had a little nerves running, but then on day 2, you're cool. Day 3, you're great. And it just goes like that. And then the second boot camp, you were even more comfortable on day 1 and then day 2. And that's how it is.
I was actually going to give that as an example.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Even like just me talking from the first boot camp to the second one. Bro, my second one, I was in flow state.
Yeah. Yeah, you were, bro.
Compared to the first one at least. But yeah, bro. We got motion.
Big motion.
Motion.
Who doing it like TTE, baby?
Sheesh.
Building an empire.
Sheesh.
Ante up ace, man. That's facts, man. Once tomorrow comes, this day will be gone forever.
Ooh,
So
yeah,
do what you got to do today that you ain't gonna regret. Very bleeder here.
Damn.
Later.
Once tomorrow comes, day is gone forever.
Yeah.
Very true. Very true. Gotta live in the now.
Yeah, Louis G, I see you. I seen you talking about green numbers. I see you, Louis G.
Louis G.
Watch out,
Louis G.
That boy was on the money.
Let's get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab some water. I'll be right back.
Yeah. The wizard. Jamil, true.
Hey, what up, Jamil? Appreciate you, bro. You're the gangster. Yo, what's good, Paraz? Faraz, we're doing sets of push-ups till failure today. Gotta switch it up. What's up, Classic Trader? Wags, what's good, boys? Hey, Miko, what up, bro? Purpose, my brother, it's good to see you.
What up, Ridwan?
Buzz Blab.
Y'all feeling good, Wags? How are you? Feeling good. It's starting to get warm. I'm thinking we might get like one more cool day around here. And then it's smooth sailing from where I'm at the whole ways up until like September, end of September, October. And then
All right, now you're cruising, bro. You're cruising into the warm warm times.
yeah.
Go.
Like I think Monday and Tuesday it's gonna be like 30 next week. And then that's it. We're no more.
Oh, bro.
beautiful.
Remember getting so hyped like when I like last year when I was living in New York, like when it started to get nice out, it was the best.
Yeah. See, that's why I mean, like, that's why I say, like, I mean, I don't know, bro. I really don't like the cold, like, that much at all, but it makes me appreciate it when it's warm way more, bro. Like, you hear me? I'm hype over here, bro.
Word, yeah.
What state am I at? I'm in PA.
Oh yeah, and some people like love just living in the cold, you know, like I remember when I was a little kid, like I actually kind of enjoyed living in New York, like when it would snow and stuff. Like I
Yeah.
enjoyed the seasons, but as I got older, I'm like, I'm not really messing with it anymore.
Like, I like fall. Fall is low-key my favorite because of, like, where I'm at. Like, I live, like, where it's just, like, all mountains, forest. So it's like, bro, everything just turns so beautiful. You got all the different colored trees. You got that nice, like, fall breeze, too. You get to put on a little extra layers. Get looking saucy.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, I used to love the fall, man. That was the best.
Yeah.
I love that.
Nah, but summer is just up, though. Because that's when you can actually get out and do the most, I feel like.
Yeah. And I feel like when the weather is nice, like the vibes are just good, you know?
Yeah, it's
People
like,
are doing stuff and stuff like that. Like people are happy, sun's out.
yeah, getting that, what is it? Vitamin D, I think, from the sun.
Yeah. Yeah, Trader X, the summer's the vibe.
Come to Florida, man. Every day summer.
That's what I'm saying,
There's
bro.
only 2 months where it's not summer.
I gotta, like, at the end of this summer, man, I might have to figure something out, maybe. I don't know.
Let's go, Sam.
Just pull up and see how you like it, you know? Like,
Yeah, absolutely.
check it out.
Like, I've been to Florida one time.
Alright, okay.
I was, like 14. I don't even know, bro. When I was in Florida was whenever that song "Got the Club Going Up"
Oh, damn.
was when that was bumping. Yep.
Damn, that was mad long ago.
Yeah,
Bro, I was in 4th grade when that song came out.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, bro, that's how long is it?
Jeez. Hell yeah, bro. So it's been a minute, kinda.
Yeah, no, I need to get back down there. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I was young.
Or
Yeah, Florida's like summer, literally 10 months out of the year, and then the other 2 is like spring, and then the other month is like fall. It's perfect, bro.
Yeah.
yeah, nah. I feel like when it was when we were in October to like just January, like I honestly thought we were like in the like it felt like the fall weather to me, to be honest.
Yeah.
Which I loved.
Real quick, so we got a closure here on the 4-hour candle. So 4-hour candle closed very strong bullish. We still have more room to drive here. 1 hour 30-minute closed bear as well. The only thing is we closed above this range here. So below this zone here, you got very clean move coming down. 15-minute also has that support right here too. So if you can get a 15 closure now below, then I think we're in good standing here to take ourselves. So we got green numbers. Gold should continue down here today. And we just got to get past that support there. So if you get a closure below, everything looks pretty good to me.
Good to see this bearish momentum.
Yeah, it is.
In gold.
Yeah, remember the bears are coming in to potentially push this monthly candle down to leave a wick fill. So that's what we could expect. There's only we're halfway through the month now. So, you know, you may not break the highs again this month. You may begin to come down to create a wick fill for next month. So that's going to look like 2 or 3 weeks of bearish candles now on the weekly time frame. So I like seeing the bears.
Dirt.
Yeah, plenty of clean traffic to work with. So
Yeah.
this is like, as you guys who might be newer, this is the time where like you really truly want to be patient in the markets and wait for the best possible setups. You just had tons of volume into the market. You got tons of clean ranges to work with. Just wait for your best possible setups, and you'll see a lot more success.
1000%.
Trust me.
Yeah, what would actually be really nice is if this 15-minute candle can close bullish, right? Like this. And then the next 15-minute candle close bearish. Because now we get to have a new resistance here, right? And this is 9 to 9:15. This is 9:15 to 9:30, and then 9:30 comes around, and that's when you should fill the range. So that would be ideal, like if we can get something just like that to play out here, but we'll see. There's I think there's 5 minutes left on the 15. What time is it? Yeah, like 7 minutes left maybe. We'll see what happens.
Yeah. That's what I would personally want to see too, since we are so bearish and left the range already, previous range.
Yeah. What's good, Landon? What up, Landon? What up,
Landon?
Classic Trader?
My brother Landon in the chat. It's good to see you, bro.
Don't know what I'm doing in Canada.
Hey, yo, take the family and dip. Let's get it.
Run.
You got the freedom to do what you want.
The bears are coming out of hibernation. Oh, I like that.
I like that too.
Oh, nice pack runner here too. Damn.
See, these are the moments where I just think I look at Nasdaq and I'm like, it's so clean.
I know.
And then 9:30 hits and it starts quaking.
Shit.
Now,
What
boys,
up,
it really is
Manolo?
true that like you never really know how good like a change of environment could be unless you actually do it, you know, unless you test it out. Like that's why literally I graduated high school and the next week I moved to Florida, you know, so I can do it. You know, I wanted to do it and I wanted to try it out, so I just did it, and now I got some experience.
Yeah, respect.
Yeah, moving out of your hometown is a good life hack.
How am I doing, Landon? I'm doing great, brother. How you doing, Landon?
Landon the Mandan in the house. What up, Classic?
Yo,
How
Landon,
you feeling today?
We'll hit up some Eddies and Sam's next time you're around.
Oh, word.
Yes, sir.
Might have to hit up Eddie and Sam's today.
Yo,
That is
facts,
tight.
bro. Damn, bro, I haven't got it since that day. So.
Yeah, we haven't been there since that day. Yeah, it's been a minute. TK was loving that pizza. Pizza.
DK, you too. DK, I'll catch you in Disney.
Man, the 5 minute close, the 5 looks pretty good, but I do not trade the 5, so I'm gonna wait. Gonna wait here.
Trader's X, man, I loved it. The move from New York to Florida, I loved it. Got to get out of my, comfort zone. I was in New York for like 18 years before that, so it was good to change it up and get new data sets.
True. Yeah, I'd be forgetting that my hometown even still exists. I'm like, oh damn, yeah, I haven't thought of that in like 2 months. I haven't thought of that place in a while.
In the area I live in Florida is way better than the area I grew up in New York, so really like it.
Yeah. Why didn't I sell in the 1 hour close? Because number one, I don't like to take trades from 9 to 9:15 typically. Number 2, there's a pretty strong 30-minute support right here. 15-minute support as well. After moving all the way down like this, I want to at least, if I'm going to take a sell, get a closure below there. At this point, notice how we close right at it. So those are 2 reasons. 1 hour looks good. 1 hour closed right, below, but if you look on the 30, there's a pretty strong support here. This becomes your range now. So this is like, see this range here? This is like the range you're in until you actually close below. I'm making that hometown jump this year. Let's go, Sam. Yeah, especially if you live in New York. I mean, New York is like a energy, like that, like sucks the energy out of its people, man. Not only that, but you're getting taxed like 50% on your income. That's crazy. How you doing? Government said, how you doing? How's that paycheck doing? Government said, we'll take half that.
Here they're like, here's your payment, sir. Oh wait, we'll take half of it. Here you go.
Hold on a second. One sec. Let me just stop that. All right, here you go.
Oh wait, give me that back. Let me take half.
Thanks for being a great citizen of the United States of America.
In the freest land on the world.
All right, let's pop this chart open here. Let's get rid of this. Let's go here. So you got the close below, or potentially. Oh wow, look at that. See on the futures chart, you did close below. That's interesting.
I know.
Interesting.
When I think of taxes, I always think of like I don't know what it is. It's like a video of like the guy. He's like, man, I'm hungry. And he gets a cake. He cuts out a slice, then puts the slice to the side and keeps the whole cake. That's the government when they come and take your money.
I'll take that. I'll take that.
They give you your little slice in there, like, here we go. This is ours. And take the whole cake.
Yeah.
That's so true.
The crazy part is there's places that don't take any tax on capital gains. That's kind of where I want to look to go.
Yeah, word.
Puerto Rico.
I think Puerto Rico, you have to stay there for like what, 6 months of the year, which ain't bad. I mean, it's Puerto Rico, so it's not like it's too bad of a deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dubai as well.
Yeah, I want to definitely spend some months in Dubai for sure.
Yeah. Oh, DR too. I didn't know DR too. How to add buy stops on TradingView? You have to set up this tool here, and then right click, and then come over. Oh, I got to do it on this chart. Right click, and then go to create order. Yeah, you see, so this is the range now that we could be stuck in. So if this candle closes above the range, it's gonna most likely drive up, and then I may consider buys from here, right? Look at last time we closed above. That was yesterday. We did the same move. So if we can close above, I'll look for buys. If this candle can close bullish in the range, then remember what we talked about just a few minutes ago. The next candle now closing below. And then that's where our sells are going to take place here, or my sells at 9:30. And it looks like we did close bullish in the range. So, okay, perfect. Perfect. Lovely. So we drew this out. Let's see if it'll play itself out. If you get a 30-minute closure above the range like this, then I'm gonna be looking to take some buys here. All right, we got a bunch of clean traffic now to come back up. Same thing we did here. You should have no problem moving at least into this range up here, if not, 67 there. Yeah, this is why we didn't take the 1 hour buys. It's because this support is very, very important. Oh, I'm sorry, 1 hour sells. How funny would it be if gold juices? Hey, yo, it might. I'm telling you, if we get a closure above 64, then it should. It should. But if we don't break that high and we close back below here, I think we'll drive down towards 58 here. Dubai. I'm coming, man. We're definitely coming to Dubai.
Yeah,
at
so
some
I'm
point.
looking at all
Hell
the
yeah.
Look up the
countries
flights.
right now that have no capital gains tax.
Oh yeah. Who else?
Belize, New Zealand, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Belgium, Monaco. Monaco looks like what does it say? Like world's most famous tax haven.
We got some
Magnet
Monaco
for
in here.
ultra-wealthy.
Sheesh.
Cayman Islands, Singapore. Singapore I find very interesting because what's his name? Eduardo Saverin. They made the IRS made the Eduardo Saverin law.
Oh,
off of
no
that
way.
dude alone. Yeah.
Oh
because,
wow, I didn't.
Damn, really?
So he was I believe it was like the guy who gave Mark Zuckerberg like 30K in college to start up
Oh,
Facebook
that
because he
dude?
needed money to run the servers.
That's
Yeah, so whenever
crazy.
he sold his portion
Damn.
of the company, well, I forget what it was. They made it so like you have to like there's an exit tax as well, and they literally named it after him, the Eduardo Saverin rule.
Wow.
I knew
the
the
dude
name
made,
sounded
like,
familiar.
300 million, and then like just was like, yeah, I'm gone.
Sheesh.
Us.
I'm out.
Yeah, man. Trying to travel the whole world.
That's a scam, bro.
Can you please help me know how to count pips on TradingView? Yeah, so I would use this tool right here. It's called, I think it's just called measurement, right? Measure.
Measure
Yeah.
tool.
Use that tool right there, and then go from like, let's say the bottom to the top. That's gonna be, so you see how it says 247? That's gonna be 24 pips. So just count the first two digits, and that's your number. So price from when it flipped bullish here to where it made a high was about 25 pips. Let me know if you could read it the same way. Today's the 14th, not the 13th. What do I have it on the 13th? Could be a possibility. Holy! We're in the
What are you
future.
gonna do?
We're in the past. Boom. How you doing? Done. 14th. Oh, look at this. Yup. Yup. Patience pays.
Oh yeah.
9:15, bringing some heat here.
Get it? Need a little bit of a retracement.
We're bullish on the day too, so
Yeah.
we never broke daily lows. Coming to futures next week. Trade Ovate or Top Step? Just depends if you want to use personal money or funded money.
Let's go, Sandman. Coming into the gentleman market.
Zero tax, zero crime in Dubai. Nice. Been here 16 years now. Wow, that's awesome. You've probably seen it develop pretty nicely over there.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I really want to go to Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai would be cool.
Yeah, so the thing is we also did get green numbers here. So We'll see. We'll see.
Curious to see that 4 hour. Yeah, if you're doing personal, Sandman, trade will be.
Yeah, I think if gold like starts breaking back above the range, but like you just said, they had like green numbers.
Yep.
I don't know. I do not know. We shall see.
We shall see.
Yeah, the numbers guy. That's what I'd like to know too. There's a reason why you don't hear too much negative stuff about Dubai. Also, I'd also like to point that out because we have freedom of speech here. That's also why you don't hear too many negative things about it. They do not have it. So, just a reminder. And I'm not saying that like I'm hating or anything. I honestly think they're doing very well, bro. I think they're leading by example in a lot of areas of the world as well.
Oh, coming back down. Is that a 4 hour top wick or what?
I think so. Quite possibly.
Quite possibly. I'm loading up some personal. Yeah, trade ovate then. They're amazing. Yeah, your capital will be in there in 45 minutes. If you do it around like this time, when they're like kind of just starting their day over there, they'll get everything done for you quickly.
Yeah, they're on the morning shift. They got their coffee in. They're about to go crazy.
Yeah, they're in Chicago.
They're ready to cook.
Oh. I'm gonna visit them one day.
Yo, I wonder if you can actually go like in the Comex. Like, I'm trying to go there. I don't want to go to the
Dude.
NYSE. Let me go to Comex.
That'd be sick, bro. We could do a class trip.
Class trip to Comex.
That's right. Yeah, I need my permission slip signed, bro.
Yeah.
T-minus 1 minute. Where do we watch it? We're gonna blast off. Is the rocket ship gonna blast off, or is gold gonna blast off? Can you add a little volume on Sam? I can't. His
probably my
volume.
mic.
Yeah, I think it's his mic. You gotta tape it to your like. You gotta like.
Put it down my.
Man down. We gotta bleed it.
Put it in my mouth. Yeah. I think it's because. I don't know. Let me know how this sounds. If this is better or no.
You gotta tighten the screws.
I just changed the output level.
I feel like that sounds a little bit better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
A little volume to Sam's mic.
Add a little volume to the gold.
Big closure here. Sounds good now, right, chat? I think it sounds a little better. Sounds more clear too.
Nice. Awesome. All I did was just take it off automatic.
W headset.
Adjust.
It sounds good.
Back downtown we go.
Much better. Good looks green.
Greenery. What up, Green?
Let's see. Oh, the ship went up, eh? It's up and out.
What is that?
CGI.
Apparently a SpaceX
Is that
launch.
the PS10?
It's the attempt to crack the firmament here.
So that's the PS10. Got it.
Hey, tell him good luck.
That's the VR.
Good luck. Elon gonna make gold juice here too. The firm can't be cracked. Silly men. Two minutes.
Alright, cool.
Minutes. Puff Daddy Rich? Chill, bro. You don't want nothing to do with Puff Daddy, brother. Oh, what up, Sam the man? Appreciate that, bro. Look at that. It just stopped. It stopped and now it's exploding.
It's getting smoked.
Happen.
Oh, wow. Look, we might close below here.
I seen a video of like a rocket launch, and they were like, someone was like, "Damn, rocket science must really actually be hard," because it was like every rocket you see just explodes. No wonder they say that. This isn't rocket science.
Why do you switch to micro futures when you place the trade? That's where I have to place the trade. I have to place it on here. Yeah, let's see. 20 seconds here. Flirting with this resistance. Oh, look at this.
Oh.
Yeah, so we got 9:30 here. This looks good, man. I would like to see a closure below. Notice how we closed back below. So we may have to wait another 15-minute candle here. Yeah, because this candle here can close above or below, and then that, if that happens, that's going to give you the direction. If it closes back within the range, it's not, there's no clear direction just yet. This is a nice exhaustion wick here. We do have volume coming in. We did technically close bullish. Five closing, no bottom wick too there. Yeah, we need some better direction. Although we closed bullish here on the 30, it's good, right? It looks like we have a wick fill here. But the 15, look how nasty the 15 close and below that range there, right? Nasty range here on the 32. So you're kind of stuck in between there. 945 may be a good play here though. So we gotta, I would sit on your hands for a few more minutes and get some direction here, because what we really want to see is a bearish candle closure below this range here. And then you have clean move coming down towards 58.
1 hour and 4 hours still bearish.
Yeah, plus green numbers, plus exhaustion wick, another wick, closures below, price can't close above that range, but also price can't close below the range just yet either. So that's where you can run into this type of action unless you get that close below. So 945 may be the opportunity here.
Just wait on it.
Because just as good as that looks for sells, if you go to the 30, it looks just as good for buys, right? It looks just as good. And if you look left, you're stuck. You're stuck in between here. TTW.
Patience.
What's happening to that rocket ship, dude? Holy. Oh. Hey, what did it hit? That's pretty interesting.
Go back. Go back.
Oh
Yeah,
my
what happened
gosh.
to it? What happened to it?
There shouldn't be a ceiling in the sky. Should there? Hey, no one's seen that.
I wanna see
We're
it.
right back in action. We're back in orbit.
I want to see that.
You're gonna
You seen
send
that
a
thing? It just
Matrix
got boom.
attack on you, bro.
Yeah,
bro.
let's stop. Yeah, let's anyways, guys, go to school, get a good education, get a great job, work for the next 55 years of your life and settle for $50,000 a year in medical benefits with a nice pension at the end of your life with 2 years to live because you broke your back the whole time. And yeah, that's going to be just my number one advice for you guys today on this live stream.
Facts.
Wink,
Oh, wait.
wink, wink.
Any processed foods.
Don't forget to go get a Happy Meal today too.
The seed oil.
Yeah. Eat that chewy granola bar.
They're stuck now. They're like, look at the guy, he's starting to pray. They're like, that wasn't supposed to happen live. All right, 9:30, bring in volume in here. Yeah, we want to see if this 15-minute candle can leave us a wick fill.
Yeah, I would honestly much rather the wick fill.
They're here.
Because it isn't the cleanest to the left. Like, on the 30. On the futures chart.
We do a little trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Yeah, we just want to see a pullback. But we're breaking these lows here now. Yeah, honestly, this chart I think played out better than Oanda. More accurate.
Well, this was like a couple minutes ago, but did you hear like that absolutely loud noise come from my headset?
Nah.
Could, oh my goodness. I don't know what it was, but I thought I went deaf.
Damn, what the...
It was from
You don't
me
know
Is that
what
where
opening
like
up,
screeches like mad loud?
Yeah, did you hear it?
I didn't hear it, but that happened to me once just as I was about to put my headset on. I'm like, dude, if my headset would have been on, I think it was my other headset too. I was like, I would have been deaf.
Bro, like, I wonder if some of you in the chat see me. I was really, like, trying to get away from it. It was just, I don't know what it was. I opened up the X tray and it started screaming at me, bro.
Bro, technology be sus sometimes.
Word.
Eating a whole McDonald's. Them chewy bars. Why look at the chart so long when the trade idea makes sense? What trade idea? Maybe your trade idea. My trade idea hasn't played out yet. We may have different trade ideas.
Yo, Emmanuel, did you take a dub, bro? You get in? You get in trade? That'll work.
I started with 500 2 weeks ago. Now I'm up 20,000. Awesome. Let's get it. Let's get it, bro. Traders trade.
Awesome blossom.
Traders
Awesome
trade,
blossom.
man. Let's go. Yeah, glad I didn't take a sell.
Honestly, it's choppy left, like on the futures chart.
He's like, wait,
Not the cleanest.
don't do it. Let's see what Nas is doing here. Wow, look at this. Right up we go. Damn.
Oy.
Broke the 30 lows too. Yeah, that's that 930 candle, man.
Go ahead,
It's a rocket ship.
Juice.
get
See, I feel like Nasdaq leans more towards like the pack runner instead of like the celery.
All the time. It's got
You know
that
what I mean?
crazy, yeah.
That's what I'm seeing.
Yep. I agree. It's like pack runners all day. All right, 15-minute closure here in 5 minutes. We wanted to see if we can get this to pull back for a wick fill. We may get our shot here. Minute moving back up now. Will we remain below or will we close back up in the chop? In the chop. BTC driving. Let's take a look. Juice box. Juice box on BTC, man.
Push. Wow.
Man, I had friends that held through this whole move here, man. They were
All
up,
that
up,
mess, too.
dude, and then just all the way down. They built character, man, these past couple years. Sheesh.
Yeah, because whenever when did I get rid of mine? I think it was like somewhere around. Where's the annotation at? Why can't I don't know. But
Just
it was
hold
like
your
right
Bitcoin.
around, yeah, once it came back, it started coming back down. But like after it printed like the second new high, like right around like 40K. But
Yeah.
oh
man.
well, I made money off it. I got my bag. W though for like everyone else that's been in that
Yeah, who's
Should
been
keep
holding
going.
since like COVID, man?
yeah. Crazy.
Wow, yeah, look at this. Back up we go. Just look at this. Since we had news come out, you had this push down, which was news. And then you had this candle move up, move down, move up. This candle moved all the way up, closed back in the range. This candle moved up for a bit and then pushed down and now sitting back in the range. So it's literally just a bunch of wicks right now. moving up and down, up and down. Hasn't really been able to find its footing since the news release. So I think this is that new range you're sitting in, and a closure outside of it's going to probably spill the beans. Yeah, that's true, Luca. Yeah, yesterday too. See, yesterday in this area, just a whole bunch of up and down. Wow.
Yeah, chat. So everyone's day's been good? Day, morning, afternoon? See what Gold wants to do. Hey, let's go. Glad your guys' days have been great. The day's just getting started where I'm at.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sam, we got a full day ahead of us today. I'm excited.
Me too. It's already getting warmer in here. That's how I know it's gonna be a wonderful day. Because the way that the sun comes up, it hits the crib from this side. So it's like this, the room that this like PC and that's in, it gets warm. So that's how I know it's gonna be a nice one today.
Let's get it.
It's 55 right now, baby.
Oof, that's nice.
Yeah, we'll see 72
55.
later. Whoop, whoop. I think it's been the first time it's
72
been 70s
later?
in like
Let's
a
get it.
while. Yeah, first time we've seen 70s in a while.
All right, bet.
Yeah, I'm going to have sell stops here on gold.
I think I am too.
Yep, sell stops on the break of the lows.
Oh.
Stop filled.
Oh, stop fill. It said it this time. Nice. I haven't heard it say that.
Did you say it out loud? Like,
What?
Did
Yeah,
audio?
did you hear that?
No, I'll have to watch it on the stream.
Oh, wow.
I want to hear it though.
Chat, did you guys hear that? That was dope.
No, I did not.
Yeah,
Is
so we
that
got a
ordered
closure
sales?
below. Got sell stops right here, just been activated. So stops are gonna be, entry is gonna be right here. Stops are gonna be sitting above the highs. TP is gonna be down here towards these wicks, and partial is gonna be right around these, probably around this wick fill here. Yeah, right around here. And that's the trade. We do have volume too at 9:45 here, so we should get some volume coming in with that closure below, and maybe have a direction here.
Bro, the chat is not lying. That was
What?
so
You
loud.
you
when
heard
said
that, right? I'm like,
I
what?
I just rewatched it in the stream, bro.
Order
my-
filled.
That was louder than when I turned on the DX straight earlier. We recoiling.
That's hilarious.
That woke up everybody in the chat.
That's like the good old magic key sound.
That's so funny.
Thought that was Green yelling at me. Green, why are you yelling at us, bro?
Right.
Yeah, so the plan here is again, closure below, you should have volume, you have a wick to fill. If this candle closes back within the range, then I will close partials. If it re-breaks its own high, I will probably close 50% as well there. And that's going to be the management on the way up. But if not, then we look to fill this wick here. Order filled.
Stop filled.
That's funny.
Yeah, I love that dude.
Man, let me see something here. I want to right click on this. I want to see if I can close partials. Yeah, well, how come I still can't close partials? All right, I'm going to close right here, chat. Closing my full position.
Order
right
filled.
there. I'm out. And I'm out. 31 pips. We
And he's
gone. W.
Nice,
W. Order filled.
That's it. All you need. Yeah.
That's it, chat. Done deal. Done deal. On to the next trade.
One good trade, repeat.
Yes, sir.
Word.
Nice push down. That's the push that we were looking for right there. And 945. As you guys know, if we don't get the volume hit at 9, then we will get it at 9:15. Then we will typically get it on 9:30. If we don't get it at 9:30, 9:45 is where the heat's gonna come. So if you took it, W's in the chat, and congratulations.
WWW.
Go.
Bing.
Bing, 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 bing.
Bing. Bing.
Oh, we froze the chat.
Check wait.
Chat quick. Yeah, good trade, chat. I think we got 30, 31. Yeah, I think I got 31 out of that. You know, change record. Update the record. Yeah, I'm getting shirts that say update the record. You watch.
I love that.
45 pips. Nice, nice. I got 30 or 31 out of that. That was, yeah, nice job. Update the record. You guys are funny, man. Yeah, that was it. That was the push that we needed right there. Yeah, it looks like we came down right into that support level. Honestly, we planned this whole move out today, this drive down. Again, we weren't able to get in here with news. We weren't able to get in here because we were trapped. Right? Let's go over this real quick. So we came to the desk with a bullish bias here today, but it looks like we got a breakout here, right? A range 2 breakout. That worked out. So had there not been news, we would have been in this position on this candle here. But there was news, so we waited for this news to come out. It went down, it went back up, it went all crazy. And then what happened? The 30-minute close right at support. So we had to wait, right? So we waited for now we began to look towards the 15-minute chart now. Because again, after this 4-hour open, you're going to have 3 pockets of volume, 9:15, 9:30, and 9:45. So you did have a little bit of volume here at 9:15, right, where we pushed up. But we weren't necessarily looking for buys there just yet, right? Because we were pretty bearish here, and we're still below this level of resistance. Price came up, we let it do its thing. No one really cared. It came back down, closed back below. We really would have liked to be in here at 9:30, but we couldn't break our rules just to make some money, right? That doesn't make sense as a professional trader. So we had to wait for another candle to close. So as this candle drove down, there was absolute zero FOMO for this candle moving down. We waited. We said, hey, if we can get the closure We got sales on our hand. We got that closure. The market said, okay, it's your time to go. We got a little bit of a top wick. Stops were kept above previous candle high. Drove down to fill that wick. Tapped target there, and now, you know, pulling back up, and pretty much gold could do whatever it wants to do at this point. But that is the process of how this trade developed and how we just remained patient through all this and waited for our opportunity, right? Not Joe Schmo 99 on YouTube's opportunity, but I waited for my opportunity, right, on the data that I have collected. And yeah, we were expecting that push. We got it, and that's it. In and out.
Good trade.
On to the next one.
On to the next.
Yeah, W's.
Let's update the record. Now let's update the record.
Sugar Bear.
Lifetime, that's 126, chat. 126 wins in the last 12 months together. Thanks for being here for it. That's 14 on the year here, and number 4 on the month. Good stuff. Any questions about the trade?
It was beautiful, sir.
It was, man.
Great trade.
Nothing like waiting for the plan to come together. Sugar Bear sold the Sugar Bear.
Sold the PC.
It's like that kid, that PV trader, whatever. He's like, yo, bro, what's good? He was at the bus stop. He's like, well, what's going on, man? He's like, dude, where's the Porsche? He's like, I sold it, bro. He's like, dude, you sold your dad's Porsche? He's like, bro, I needed the money for another funded account.
Oh, yeah, I think I did see that.
He's like, dude, are you kidding me? Your dad's Porsche? He's like, he's never gonna know.
Take it out my next payout.
Not even like a live account or nothing. Even.
No.
I need it for my funding.
He's like, I'm gonna get it back on my next payout. Man. All right, let's go ahead and mark that trade up real quick.
You guys keep saying Nasdaq. Let me look at it. Is it really bleeding that hard? Oh, yeah, it kind of is.
Later.
Basically, from when we looked at it, Nick, when it was like driving up bullish, it must have, the second you switched back to gold, it turned around.
Oh, damn.
And
This
then it went.
was current low. Wow, another 15-minute move here. It's been all 15-minute here in March so far.
I love 15 minutes.
Yeah.
I forget who I think I don't know, someone, I think it was Paras. I was like, the 15 lately. It seems
Yeah,
like
nice.
volume's coming back here.
Yeah, I think I got like 2.4% on that one. Yeah. Dope.
Nice. Yo, what did I get?
All right, that's the trade. Oh, let's use our little. Oh, I forgot to delete yesterday's trade of the day. Should we make that like trade of the week?
What do you
Weekly
mean?
Trades for this week.
Oh, like
Kinda
in the
pointless
box.
to put up the trade of the day. At, oh my god, 131 at 9:30, and then dip at like 10.
Right.
Oh, let me take a look at NAS here. Holy!
Yeah.
Wow.
Bleeding. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, like on a 30-minute, I think was where we were looking at it.
Oh,
Or
yeah,
no,
let me go
was
to
it
the
on the
30.
15-minute?
Yeah, I think it was the 15.
It was doing like a pack.
Yeah, the pack
It
right
was-
here, and then a pack right there, pack everywhere, pack them all up.
Crazy. Criminal.
What do? I'm a funded trader. That kid's got one of the funniest
trader.
pages, bro. A funded trader.
Yeah, he's funny.
What do you do for a living? Funded trader. Yeah, Yeah, wow, we nailed. So that was that was perfect. See, right down to that support, man. We planned this in the morning. Right down into it. Just precision.
Sniper exit.
Yeah, if you got that exit there, beautiful.
Yeah, your terminal ain't lying to you today.
Nope. Let me see here. I draw my support at 2162,500, so no closure for me. Am I wrong? 2162,500. 2162,500. Right. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Right here. 500. Yeah, I feel you. That that's you're not wrong. I just wanted to use fresh price, right? So I just wanted to come over here and use that because that low was just recently made, and these are basically, if I stretch this a smidge bit more, like I mean it's basically the low. But yeah, I feel you. If that's the support you were using, congratulations on literally holding off there. That's a W in itself, right? You got to use your levels. I think maybe just through a little bit of experience, I used this one instead. But yeah, you're not wrong. That's for sure. Because if we mark that off, we did not close below there. Yep. No closure below. Right at it. So no, you're not wrong. But with everything going on, right? Price moving down, moving bearish, breaking daily lows, 4-hour bearish, 1-hour bearish, 30-minute bearish, green numbers on news today. A new fresh support printed, closure below there, 945, high volume, wick to fill. Just adding all those things up. I think more so through experience that I have, without even really like thinking about it much. I think that's just where I pulled this fresh support from.
W.
W.
I
think that's gonna do it for me though. I want to get out. I want to go enjoy some of the sun.
Yeah, man.
Ready.
What time is it?
Tell you, bro.
Yeah, it's 10. Got my dub. Get off
Got
the
your
desk.
dub.
Oh, I was waiting for you.
Enjoy the date. Yeah, word.
One good trade. Yeah, you guys look up Mike Bellafury. One good trade. I think he wrote a book on that too, right?
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, one good trade.
Alrighty. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna head out of here. Take it easy,
Alright, Sam
John. Take it easy,
Capital.
Nick.
All right, peace, Sam. Have
See
a
you
good day,
tomorrow,
bro.
brother. See you tomorrow
Yeah,
for a
see you
good
guys
Friday.
tomorrow. Yes, sir. Went off the week strong.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yep.
All right, brother.
All right.
Later.
Take it easy.
Peace.
All right, peace, bro.
Good stuff. Yeah, so you got a 1-hour close now. 1 hour also closed below, so you may continue dripping down here, but I think that would do it for me. What was I going to say? I was just going to say something to you guys. I forgot. Oh, yeah, we were talking about Mike Bellafury, right? One good trade. Yeah, if you take one good trade in the markets, like, notice how, like, that was our trade. You know, like, that's the one we waited on for the whole entire session. So when you get that opportunity, you take that one good trade and things work out. Like I said in the podcast, man, when you stack wins, you're able to feel good, right? When you feel good, you do good. So you continue to stack wins, base hits day in and day out. You begin to feel like you're doing something here, like you're making some progression. But if you take that trade and now you're trying to take another trade and you lose that one, that throws off the whole vibe of the other one. It's just, it's not worth it. You know, it's not worth it sometimes going from green to red. You know, when you got that good one, you know you planned that out. It's like being a hunter and waiting all night. Morning arises, sun comes up, here comes your prey. Boom. What are you going to sit in the tree for the next 8 hours?
Nah, yeah, bro. And it gives you confidence going into the next day, too. When you just know you took one good trade and all you're looking for is another one good trade.
Exactly.
Not trying to do too much, right? Less is more.
Yeah. But if we create a top wick right now and flip again, we're gonna break. No. Yeah, hey chat, really, really good run. I'm very proud of everyone here because I know some of your mindsets here, and a lot of you guys came out and took this beating with me in February, right? We took this beating together. We didn't fold. We didn't get weary in doing what is right. We continue to follow our plan, and it's been almost W's ever since. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 now. So eight dubs in a row here, or one loss there, but almost eight dubs in a row there. So way to stay composed, way to stay on the horse. That right there is more important than anything. No matter how much money you made this year so far, whatever it is, you have proven to yourself that you can withstand what it takes to be a professional trader. So W's for you guys, and it's been great. You know, thanks for just being on the journey with me and doing this together, because it's really building a lot of muscle in a lot of traders here in the TTE chat. Unfortunately, some people took these hits and they were weak. You know, they couldn't make it out of it, and that's totally fine. But shout out to all you guys that did, you know, and you guys will run into this again. Like, I'd be foolish to think I wasn't gonna run into something like that again at some point in my career. So you just we didn't really change much. We kept doing what we do and let the probabilities work themselves out.
Yep.
Yeah, look at this. You guys try to get one more in, even though the candle didn't make a top wick. You could have been free today to be a winner.
Yeah, bro. I think I'm gonna head out of here though.
All right, bro.
All right, bro. So have a good day, good trade, chat. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Later, Gator.
Peace.
He's gone. Yeah, if you never quit, your chances of losing reduced by 100%. That's true. Yes, sir. Yanosh. Yup. Yeah, we're gonna call it here today. I'm not taking any other trades. I think I did 2, so I'm up like 5.5% this week. So been feeling really good on the futures broker, feeling really good trading my own capital again, and bouncing off of that little slump. Sometimes you need that, right? The whole time we were going through that, we continue to preach on how this is a higher low, right? Higher low to go even higher. So I think we'll call it here, and we'll continue our journey on tomorrow and end the week strong. Sound good? W's in the chat on the way out. Did we get activated? Yeah, we took this trade right here. We're already out. We took 915. What up, Hank? Skitty was giddy. Yeah, we took this 915 candle and we've been out since right here. All right, cool. Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, W's got congratulations, 31 pips. Some of you guys may have gotten like 40, 41 pips, but yeah, great trade. Beautiful playbook position. We waited on it, and now we'll just come back tomorrow and look for what? What are we going to look for? The next best trade. Beautiful. All right. Love y'all. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be blessed today. If you can give a helping hand to somebody in need today. If not, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Welcome to the good life on the way out. Love y'all. Drop the beat. We out. Later.
A new day, the game has changed, the pieces in place, and now now we're moving. We shine in this new light and live how we want. Yeah, fresh start, light that spark, and we take off. Yeah, we'll be flying. We're here, a brand new gear to show what we got. Here we go. It's our day. Yeah, it's time to celebrate. Let's roll. It's our fate. Yeah, it's time to celebrate. Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life. Game on, we're going strong. A renaissance, a new beginning. Sit tight, enjoy the ride. Yeah, we're on fire. One chance, our only dance, and we got plans for something better. Stand tall, we'll have it all and rise to the top. Here we go. It's our day. Yeah, it's time to celebrate. Let's roll. It's our fate. Yeah, it's time to celebrate. Welcome to the good life. 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 Welcome to the good life.
All I can say is holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. my shame.